Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys doing well and keep safe. Today I'm gonna tell you about healthy breakfast, diet, lunch, dinner and snack. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you about breakfast. So you can take 2 egg white with some handful of baby spinach, and you can add some chili flakes and salt to taste. And it's so healthy breakfast because spinach contain protein, a lot of fiber. So just spray one olive oil or 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Is up to you, you use which oil. So you can make oat tea or coconut milk tea. So because these milk contain less calorie, otherwise whole milk contain a lot of calories. So here you can take one slice, spread some 1 teaspoon cream cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese, which is low in calorie, and then place your omelette on bread, enjoy it. And another side, also take one slice more because it's your main meal or your main breakfast, so you have to take 300 calorie. So it's just spread it and enjoy your breakfast with oat milk tea or coconut milk tea. Make sure you're not taking egg yolk because it's contain a lot of calorie, and egg white only. So enjoy your breakfast. Now if after some hour you feel hungry, so it's snack time, you can take popcorn, make a homemade popcorn which is low in calorie, and sprinkle some salt to taste, and it's ready. So for lunch you take wholemeal tortilla wrap and top it with the mushrooms, bell pepper, mussels, prawn, and on base you just put 1 teaspoon tomato sauce, and then microwave it for 2 minutes. So that's why just water will be absorbed and dry. And after 2 minutes of microwave, then take it out and put egg white on all of tortilla wrap, and then again put for 2 minutes for just egg will be cooked. You guys can see that it's just like a cheese. Egg is similar to just like a cheese. It just combine all the ingredients like prawns, mussels, olives, and it's so delicious in taste. You can't imagine, it's very yummy. You can try it. So for snack you can take this pasta. It contain tomato, onion, mussels, green chili, bell pepper, mushroom, tuna chunks, chickpeas, sweet corns, chili flakes, black pepper, onion. So I will soon upload this recipe. So for dinner you just put 1 teaspoon oil, prawns, mussels, green beans, carrot, and just saute it, and just take half a wholemeal tortilla wrap, put in wrap. So these all are 1300 calorie. You can take all these things. Hope you guys enjoy. Take care. Allah Hafiz.